How to fix Minecraft mod needs language provider Javafml. What this error means is that the Minecraft mod that you're running is either too old or too new for the version that you're trying to run it on. So what you could do is head over to your browser and search for the web page where you downloaded your Minecraft mod. Let's go to CurseForge and let's pick Moonlight Lib, for example. Here, as we can see, on the right side of the screen, we can see game versions. We can click view all, and here you can see every game version on which this mod is available for. See, it goes from 1.18, it goes from 1.16.5 to all the way to the newest version, 1.21. Choose the correct game version that you want to run this mod on, and then download it. So let's say we want to run the newest one. Let's just download this. Then let's go to our Minecraft mods folder and simply drag this into here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.